core Python and advanced Python, guys. Core and advanced. Okay. And then one framework, Python related, any one framework. We have many frameworks. So one of the important framework is Django framework. What is the framework name? Django framework. So here the D is silent, guys. D is just silent. So that's why people are calling like Django. Okay. As a student, you can also call, no problem, D Django. D Django. Got it? Yes. This is one of the popular framework which is designed by Python language only. Pure Python language using and designed this Django framework. Got it? So in Python language, whatever the concepts you are learning, those all concepts we can use in the Django framework also. And also we are following the Django architecture. According to architecture, we are developing the logic. So we are developing the programs, guys. Clear that? Yes. So in Python full stack, guys. In Python full stack. In this Python full stack, so we need to learn any one language. So here Python full stack. That's why Python language we are learning. Okay. Full stack batch means Java full stack, Python full stack, like so many .NET full stack, like so many batches there. Okay. So we are Python related. That's why Python language we need to be learn it, or else language. So language here, Python we are learning as Python. So in this Python, core Python, core Python plus advanced Python, guys. Advanced Python. These things we need to learn it. So I hope already you guys completed these all things. At least core Python you need to complete if you want to join the Django framework, guys. Okay, na? Yes. Next, language related framework we need to learn, guys. Okay. So one of the important framework is Django framework or Flask framework. Like several frameworks there. So minimum you need to learn any one framework. That is the Django framework we are going to learn. Why this Django framework we are learning means, so if we want to developing the web applications like Zomato, Swiggy, Book My Show, okay, YouTube, Amazon, Flipkart, like these kind of applications, if you want to be developing, then after the Python, we need to learn Django framework. Okay. So Python is a general purpose programming language. It means after learning the Python, guys, we can choose a number of courses. So if you want to be developing web applications, Django framework you are going to choose. If you want to be becoming like a data science developer, okay, data engineer, guys. So data science course there, machine learning course there, DevOps course there, Azure course there, okay, data analytics course there. So like several courses there, guys. After learning Python, for example, if it is a Python, so many courses you can learn. Artificial intelligence, data science, robotics, machine learning, deep learning, okay, and web development. For web development purpose, we need to learn Django, guys. If you want to be developing the web applications, so then using Django we can do it. Okay, Python with Django. So already you guys learned this Python. Now you're going to be developing, you're going to be learning this Django course related concepts. Using this Django projects, how we are creating, how we are running, how we are seeing the output in the browser. These all things we will discuss in our sessions. Clear that? Okay. So in this Django framework only, guys, in this Django framework only, as a part of this Django framework, we are going to learn REST API also, guys. So, okay, I'll give you separately. So APIs related, we need to be discussing, guys. We need to learn here APIs related. We have so many kind of APIs, guys. So we are going to be learn about the REST APIs. REST APIs. So REST APIs Django, using Django REST framework. Using Django REST framework, we are going to be learn. So after the Django framework, this is another framework, guys. Django REST framework. Django REST framework. Using this Django REST framework, how we are going to developing the APIs? Nothing but REST APIs. Using a REST framework, we are developing the APIs. That's why we can call REST APIs. So later, more clearly, I will give you points related to REST APIs and what is the use of these all things. Okay. So using the Django framework, if we are developing the web applications from the browser, people can access our application. From the browser, people can access our application, guys. But using the APIs, people can access from other applications also. People can access from other applications also, guys. For example, guys, so using pure Django, if I'm developing my application, so from the browser, this is my browser. From this browser, www.facebook.com, like that, we can send request, guys. Okay, simply start name I'm using facebook.com. So then here Facebook applications there, guys. So Facebook app there, Facebook app there. Our request sending to this Facebook application, communicating to this app and getting response back. So we are able to see our Facebook homepage here, guys. Okay. So this is using pure Django we are developing. For this existing Django project, if you are developing the APIs also, it means for your Facebook application, if you are developing the APIs also, then using these APIs from the other application, people will interact, guys. For example, here I have a application called Zomato, guys. Zomato, okay, Zomato app there, Zomato app there. So in this application, I want to be login, guys. I want to be sign in with this application. So instead of doing manual registration, guys. So here login with the Facebook, login with Gmail, login with GitHub, okay, login with LinkedIn, like several icons showing, guys, nowadays. Are you observing those things? Okay, social media authentications we are calling. Yes. For example, here login with Facebook there, guys. If I'm clicking this Facebook, if I'm clicking this link, Facebook related link, then so it is directly connected to this Facebook. Okay. And for this Facebook, we used some credentials, guys. We used some username password, taking those all username passwords and login here with this Zomato app. Okay. So if we want to do this kind of communication, APIs are important, guys. APIs are very, very important. And also, I have here one more application, guys. I have here one more application. So some links there, guys. Here, some links there. If I'm clicking this link from this application to, after clicking, immediately my controller jumping to this so called application. Okay, whatever the link there here, that link related application will open. Okay, so this is because of the APIs possible, guys. So normal links, if you are creating here only, we can open new application, guys. So but from application one to application two, I want to interact. If you want to be making the communication between multiple applications or between the application one to application two, then using APIs we can do. These APIs we can developing using multiple variations. So one of the variation is using Django REST framework we can design. So we have a REST APIs, we have SOAP APIs, like different kind of APIs there, guys. So REST APIs are more popular APIs nowadays. Why REST APIs are popular? Why not SOAP based APIs? So these all things coming days you people will understand when we are discussing about this particular topic. Clear that? Yes. And next, guys, UI technologies, guys. UI technologies. We are going to learn about the UI technologies here. Okay. When we want to developing our web application, presentation logics also very, very important. So to developing presentation logics of our application, we need to learn UI technologies. Okay. Here, HTML, HTML, CSS, CSS means cascading style sheet guys. HTML means hypertext markup language. So HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, like uh, like several things we are going to be learning guys here. UI related, UI related. So these all things we are going to learn in our session. Say that. So in this Django framework only guys, you're going to get these all things. You're going to get these all things. So only in Python, when you are learning the Python related, so you are getting about these things. So here, all basic Python rules and regulations, concepts, all you are getting, those all concepts we are going to use in this development. Okay, in the Django framework, modules, how we are importing, how we are reusing. So what are the data types are there in Python? Those all data types, how we are using. So these all things we can get practically. Clear guys about this Python full stack related? Yes guys. So guys, I have 8+ years of experience for developing the web applications using the Python technologies, Python, Django, and using these all UI technologies. So I have 8+ years of experience to developing the web applications. Okay, and here every day, guys, 7:30 to 9, 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour session we will take it, guys. So 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. 7:30 to 9 a.m. guys. 1.5 hour session. Okay. And duration, guys. Duration. If it is a totally full stack, guys, 3 months duration required. 45 days for Python related. 45 days for framework related, guys. Framework related. Okay. So right now here you people are joined for the Django course, only for Django. So that's why 45 working sessions guys. Okay. 45 days working sessions required. 45 days working sessions required. Without Sundays, all the things guys. Without all days, only 45 working sessions required. Clear that? So here every day materials I'm going to share guys. Every day material will share, material sharing to you, and everyday concept related programs we are developing in our class only. Live code developing as why we are developing, how we are developing, everything I will take care. So programs are simply projects guys. Projects sharing to you. Correct? Material sharing to you, project sharing to you, number of concepts we are discussing as here. By combining all the concepts, so major projects also we will do end of the session. Okay, end of the days we will do the major projects also, guys. So if you are learning those kind of projects, by putting experience also you can handle in interviews, guys. And also after joining into the companies also, so you will get some confidence if you are doing a project, guys. Clear that? By combining all the topics, some major projects also we will do it. So this is about the course planning, guys. This is about the course planning. So in this Django framework, these all things we are going to be learning it. Okay. And if you guys are having a free time, guys, if you are having a free time for UI technologies related at evening, 5:30, guys. Okay, evening 5:30 p.m. At 5:30 p.m. a new batch started. New batch started recently, guys. So you people can join. Okay, no payment for this free batch. It's a free batch. Clear that? So you will get lot of concepts in this UI technologies batch. Got it? So in our Django framework, guys, in our Django framework, so what are the things required UI related? What are the concepts required UI related? I will take care about those things. I will take care about those things, and I will share the material for these all topics, guys. And after reading, so whatever the doubts you are having, you can ask me. I will let you know. Clear so far? Evening 5:30, new batch there for UI technologies. You can join there and you can learn more and more only for UI related. That is the batch. Okay. So here we are going to learn Django related. In this Django, we are going to learn these all UI technologies also. And one more point, guys. So database related also we are going to learn, guys. Database related also. Okay. We have several databases, MySQL and MongoDB. We are going to be learning here. MySQL and MongoDB. So at the time of learning Python only, people are getting knowledge with MySQL. Okay, people are doing, students are doing practically communication with MySQL DB. Okay, Python with MySQL DB communication and performing the CRUD operation, creating, updating, deleting, reading, like all the operations, guys. So same thing using Django also, we will do it. Clear, guys? So these all things already explained in the last week, guys. This is just a revision kind of thing. So here, anyone new people there? I will share the documentation, guys. Basic documentation. Few people can read it. You will understand everything. These all things I explained already. So without wasting time, directly we will start sessions. Okay. So coming to the Django framework. This is our framework. Why required to learn this Django framework? Why required to learn this Django framework? Is Django framework really having popularity? Is this Django framework really having popularity? Like we need to understanding first of all these all points. As a beginner, when it comes to learning a new language, guys, everyone's favorite is Python only. As a beginner, first students are giving priority to the Python language only. Why means a lot of companies working on different kind of applications. A lot of companies working on different kinds of applications and dealing with millions of users, guys. Dealing with millions of users. Expect a fast, scalable, dynamic website, guys. They are expecting a fast framework, okay, reliable, fast application, reliable application, scalable application, and dynamic application, guys. So these all things using the Python with the Django framework possible. Python with the Django framework achieving, guys. Okay. So the choice of the programming languages and the framework is up to the student hand, guys. Okay. So using Java they can develop, using .NET they can develop, using Python they can develop. But why using Python only people are developing means, so they will develop scalable applications, reliable applications, and performance-based applications. Okay, and more fastly can develop. And within the less cost, with the less time, they can develop the best product, guys, using the Django framework. So that's why this Django framework is getting more demanding nowadays. Clear that? So these all are basic points. Just I'm giving the overview. And top 10 companies, guys, if you are taking the toppest companies which are using Django framework, so one is YouTube using, guys, YouTube company. Okay. So YouTube using the Python with the Django framework, guys. Why means every day lakhs of people are using this YouTube, guys. Every day Lakhs of people are using this YouTube. So day by day, requests increasing, guys, and lot of data YouTube need to handling. Okay, so to get best performance, YouTube using Python with Django. Actually, initial days, guys, when YouTube app started, so in that initial days, guys, so they used PHP plus cake PHP, guys. Simply, they used PHP language, guys, for developing this YouTube. Okay, so using PHP, they got some problems, performance related, scalable related. That's why later they changed it to the Django framework, Python with the Django, guys. Okay, after changing to Django, so YouTube getting lot of demanding, guys. Nowadays, everybody using YouTube channel, YouTube. Okay, so one more important one, Mozilla, guys. One more important one. So Mozilla browser there, guys. Mozilla browser there. Mozilla browser. So we have so many browsers, guys. Google Chrome browser, Mozilla browser, Safari browser, okay, Opera browser, Google Chrome, like several browsers there. So one of the important browser is a Mozilla browser, guys. Google browser is a more popular one, and also Mozilla browser also popular one, guys. So this Mozilla browser also designed by this Python and Django, guys. Initial days, this Mozilla is designed by PHP plus it's a framework, guys. Cake PHP we are calling PHP and Cake PHP. Okay, it's a framework, and PHP is a language, guys. PHP and Cake PHP. Using these things, they designed this Mozilla browser, guys. Okay, so Mozilla is the second most popular browser in the world, guys. So there is no need to say how many people use it. There is no need to say how many people are using every day this Mozilla. Okay, so initially this Mozilla browser designed by PHP language and its framework called Cake PHP. Okay, so using these things that they developed, guys, when number of users are increasing every day, when number of users are increasing, this PHP and Cake PHP not handling millions of people with the scalability, guys. Scalability means performance. Every second, guys, lakhs of requests coming, those all requests are not handling properly. Okay, so to overcoming this problem, they change it to Python with Django, guys. Okay, instead of this PHP and Cake PHP, they change it to Python with Django framework, and they redesigned this Mozilla browser. Okay, so they got a lot of benefits, guys. After using the Python and Django, they got a lot of benefits. So that's why people are continuously using Python with Django only. Okay, na? Mozilla they used, and so Bitbucket there, guys. Bitbucket, bit bucket. So GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, like so many are there. So this is one of the code hosting platform, guys. Bitbucket is a code hosting platform. So in our local mission, we are developing code, guys. As a developers in local mission, we are developing the coding. So after developing this code, so we are moving to this repositories, guys. Okay, code hosting platform we are calling repositories. Okay, repositories, nothing but code hosting place, guys. Simply hosting code. So after developing in this local machine, so by using some commands, we are moving to in this hosting platform, guys. Okay. So if our code is available in this hosting platform, then your teammates, guys, other people also will interact to this hosting platform. Okay. So bidirectional communication there. For that, separate commands there, guys. Separate commands there. I will take care about these all commands real time. Very, very important. So here employee one, guys, for example, E1, and here employee two there. and here the employee three there guys, E3. So these all people are connecting to this repository. Here our main project there guys. So all these three people are communicating to here and they are developing their code. For example, employee one developing some code and they are pushing to this repository. Pushing means moving. So whatever the code is available in this repository, this code is full by other employees. For example, employee two pulling. Pulling means getting back, downloading guys, getting back code. And after developing here some new logic by employee two, he will push his new code into this repository. Okay, like continuously every employee pulling back, pushing back guys, pulling back and pushing. Okay, so pulling the data from repository to local machine and pushing data from local machine to repository. Like that, all people are interconnecting guys in the real-time companies. So later, guys, whatever the code is there in this repository, this is moving to server. This is moving to server. That is called deployment, guys. This is moving to server. So if our code is running in the server, guys, if our code is running in the server, then in entire world, anybody can access our application. For example, if it is a YouTube or Facebook, guys, if it is a YouTube or Facebook application, then so from the browsers, people can send the request, they will get the response, guys. Can send the request, get the response. Correct? So as a developers, we are developing this code in our local machines, guys. So first of all, and they are moving to the repositories. From the repositories, again moving to the server. Okay. So this is the local mission. This is called remote mission, guys. Remote mission. So if our application is running in the server mission, then that can be accessed by all other people, all the users, guys, in entire world. So these all communications coming days, I will show you practically. For interviews also very, very important, guys, questions. Okay, na? Yes. So one of the important app is Bitbucket app, guys. Bitbucket app. And next, Dropbox there, guys. This is also using Python and Django, guys. Dropbox company. Okay. So Dropbox is the most popular cloud-based storage platform. Cloud-based storage platform for storing the documents, videos, pictures, graphics, and so on, guys. Okay. So Dropbox app is a cloud-based application, guys, which is used to store the documents, videos, pictures, graphics related images, all the things, guys. And later we can access from anywhere. Once, if we are loading our images or our videos into this Dropbox app, later we can access anywhere, guys, using mobile or using laptop. Whenever we want, we can access. Got it? So Python was designed by Guido van Rossum. Okay, Guido van Rossum, guys. Python was designed by Guido van Rossum. He is the author of our Python. So this Dropbox company, guys, this Dropbox company hiring Guido van Rossum also, guys. So right now, this Guido van Rossum person was working in this, is working in this Dropbox company, guys. In this Dropbox company. So under the guidelines of Guido van Rossum, this Dropbox was implementing more and more, guys. Got it? So using this Python and Django, guys, in this Dropbox, history related, synchronizing related, account handling related, which device this particular account you are using, these all things more easily handling by Python and Django, guys. You know? Okay. Next, one more important app is Instagram. Instagram nowadays everybody knows, guys. Instagram application. Okay. So more popular one. So this Instagram application also designed by using Python and Django, guys. Python and Django. So what I means here in the Instagram every day 95 million photos adding as okay, every day 95 millions of photos adding 4.2 billions of likes people are giving us using the Instagram. So simply lakhs of people are using us, lakhs of people are uploading the images, and lakhs of people are clicking the like buttons, guys. Clicking the like buttons. Okay. So these all things are required to store in the database. So using the Python with the Django more easily can handle it. That's why Instagram company chose the Django framework for developing this application, guys. Got it? Yes. So and one more important one more important one. Discuss, guys. Discuss company, Discuss application. So this is one of the important application. So which is purely designed by using Django framework only, guys. So Discuss is the largest project so far built on top of Python with Django, guys. Simply using the Django framework so far, largest project developed. Which one means this Discuss application, guys. So Discuss application is the largest project so far building using Django framework, guys. From scratch onwards, from day one onwards, using Django framework only. This Discuss application designed, guys. Okay. So this website allows you to implement the comments and discussion options on your website, guys, on your site. Okay. So here it is like a forum, guys. So here we can commenting for others' opinion. We can express our opinion, guys. It's like a social media platform. Here people can discussing about their applications, about their websites, about their organizations. Okay. So here the lakhs of people are registering, and the people will get information here related to new products or new companies, all the things, guys. Okay. Na? So around 75 lakhs, guys, around the 75 lakhs websites using the Discuss, guys. 75 lakhs websites using this Discuss forum. Okay, here about those all websites, people will discussing. Okay, what are the pros and cons related to every web application? Simply, what are the advantages and drawbacks, guys? Using every application, people will get discussion in this Discuss forum, Discuss website. Okay, na? And one more application, Spotify there, guys. Spotify. These all are toppest applications, guys. Spotify. Spotify applications. Okay. So it's a music platform related application, guys. Spotify is a music streaming app. Changed the yes, right. Spotify is a music platform related applications, guys. So where we can listen all kind of music. Okay, local music, international music, or country related music, like all kind of music, guys. Melodious, fast music, and all the things, mythological music, all the things we can listen here. So here, huge amount of huge range of musics uploading, guys. So later we can use those all musics and we can listen whenever we want. Okay. So here using Django framework designed, guys, using Django framework design, because of that, more fastly we can access required music and we can listen. Okay. So some machine learning techniques also using along with the Django techniques, guys. So they got it lot of benefits. Like several companies there, guys. Several companies there. Okay, Pinterest there, Washington Post there. One more important one, Washington Post, guys. Washington Post. So this is a news channel related popular company, guys. popular news channel related website. Okay, popular news channel related website. So in this website, every minute, guys, news required to update. Every minute news required to update in this website. So more fastly with the scalable, guys, with the reliable, this application is working because of Django framework. Because of Django framework. Okay. So, and one more application, Eventbrite. Okay, eBay application. Like several applications are designed by using Python with Django, guys. So that's why nowadays, n number of people, guys, simply lakhs of companies choosing choosing Python with the Django framework for developing their web application. Okay, and a lot of companies, guys, previously they used Java and .NET, guys, for developing their web application. So nowadays, whenever they are required to change the some features, guys, those features using Django, people are developing. So existing projects, people are changing to Django related, guys. Why means in the future they are not going to spend more amount for maintaining maintenance problem. Okay, that's why nowadays all people are changing to Django framework. So if you are developing one application, guys, so to maintaining this application long time, so we need to spend we need to be allocate some employees. If they are checking always this application, any new changes required or not, like that. If any problems are getting, they are ready to solve those problems, guys. Simply we are calling maintenance of the application. So maintenance problem by increasing using other languages, guys. So by using the Django, maintenance cost decreasing, guys. Okay, and easily people can add the new features using Django framework. So that's why the Django is getting more demanding. Clear? So guys, more than lakhs of applications, guys, are already designed using Django framework. Using Django framework. So one important point you need to be focused it. All companies like Google company, Microsoft, Wipro, TCS, IBM, like these all companies, guys, focusing on three major factors. What they are means they want to save the time. They want to save the time for developing the application. They want to save the cost of the project for developing the application, and they want to give the best product. Okay, they want to give the best performance of the application. So these factors are achieving by using Django framework. These factors achieving by using Django framework. So that's why this Django framework is getting more demanding nowadays. Is this clear, guys? With low cost, with low cost, with a low or else with a less time, guys. With a less cost, with a less time, and uh, with a less time, developing developing performance of performance based applications, guys. Based applications using Django, guys. Using Django. So that's why all the companies people are focusing on this Django framework for developing their new applications and for redeveloping their existing applications. Got it? So that's why it is getting demanding, guys. Okay. So these all points are given, guys, already. Just overview I given for new people. So you don't worry, guys. The people who joined today, so I will take care everything. After the session completing, I will spend some time with you. You can ask me your doubts, whatever you have. Okay, you can note out your all doubts, and later you can ask. So no need to spend much more time for the demos, guys. So directly from the installation onwards, we will spend more time. Everything I will take care. Step one, what? Step two, what? Step three, what? Like that. So procedure, I will focus on more and more procedure, guys. If you know procedure, programs easily you can develop by yourself only. Okay, na? Yes. So study related, guys. Using Django framework, what kind of applications we are designing? I said so far. Guys. So first of all, framework means it's a software which is used to developing the applications, guys. Django is a framework. Using the framework, we can developing the other applications like these all applications, guys, which are required for users in the real time. Okay, so they are using these all things and they are getting a lot of benefits, users, guys. So for developing these kind of applications, we are using the framework. Django is one of the framework, guys. Okay, now history, guys. So here, who designed this Django framework? Why designed? When designed? Where designed? These points you need to get it. So come on, let me know who designed this Django framework. Adrian and Simon Wilson, guys. These two are authors of our application, our Django framework, guys. Simply, authors of Django framework are Adrian and Simon Wilson. Both are web developers, guys. Both are web developers. So they worked in Lawrence Journal World Newspaper Organization. So where designed means in the Lawrence Journal newspaper organization. World Lawrence Journal World newspaper organization, guys. Okay, it's a new channel related company. In this company, this Adrian and Simon Wilsons are working as a web developer, guys. Okay, they both were working as a web developer. Okay, so for this company purpose, guys, as an internal project, these two people started this Django framework, guys. Django framework. Okay, so when started in 2003, they started, guys. In 2003, they implemented as an internal project, guys. 2003 implemented, guys, as as an internal project. The internal project means for this company purpose only they developed this Django framework, and using the Django framework they are getting a lot of benefits, guys. So that's why they released it to public as an open source in the 2005, guys. In 2005 released in 2005 released to public as an open source as an open source and free, guys. In 2005 they released it to public as an open source and free. It means, guys, from 2005 onwards, from the internet people can download the Django framework. Using that Django framework they can design their own applications. In 2008 Adrian and Simon Wilson both were resigned for this company, guys. Resigned to this company, and they started their own company. The name was Django Software Foundation. Django Software Foundation, guys. Simply we are calling DSF company. Django Software Foundation. With this name, in 2008, our authors started their own company, and they are spending more time to developing this Django framework, guys. For developing the more features in this Django framework, so they spent more time and they're developing new features in every version, guys. In every version. Clear that? So first of all, why implemented in this Lawrence Journal World Newspaper Organization? They developed why implemented. So that is also we need to be get why implemented means. So these two people, guys, Adrian and Wilson, both are developing number of web applications for this company purpose. So in all web applications, guys, a lot of lines of code they used again and again repeatedly. It means it looks like duplicate coding. While creating this all duplicate coding for every application, so it takes a lot of time, guys. Okay, so that's why they thought like we need to be factor out. It means we need to be find out all common features from the existing applications. So we will place in one place, we will store in one place, and we will use the common code. Okay, we will use that common code for developing the new applications. Then we may get some benefits like that. They thought, guys. After thought, so they implemented, guys. Okay, their thoughts. They implemented. Find outing all common features and storing in a file. So that file name they took like the file name they took like Django framework. Django, guys. Django. Okay. Simply for reducing the duplicate code, guys. For reducing the duplicate code and reusable reusable purpose reusable purpose, they designed this Django framework. They designed this Django framework. Okay. So why our authors kept our framework name as Django? Why not other name? Okay. Why our authors used Django framework name? Okay, for our framework. Why used Django? Why not other name? So that question also sometimes people are getting as why name as taken? Why name as taken? The Django. Why not other name? Why not other name? Okay, na? So why, guys? Our authors, Adrian and Simon Wilson, both are music lovers, guys. Adrian and Simon Wilson both were music lovers. So they are loving a famous guitarist person, Django Reinhardt, guys. Okay, one famous guitarist person there, guys. Famous guitarist person there. His name was Django Reinhardt. Django Reinhardt. In 1930s, guys, Django Reinhardt, one popular person for guitarist, guys, for guitaring, guys, for guitaring. So he's a guitarist person. So based on this person name, our authors took our framework name as Django. They kept like Django. So where D is silent, that's why we are calling Django. Understanding? So this is about the history, guys. Django history. Some basic points only. Who designed Adrian and Simon Wilson designed in Lawrence Journal World Newspaper Organization as an internal project. They designed, guys. Okay. So when they implemented in 2003, implemented as an internal project for reducing duplicate code and reusability purpose, they designed, guys. Okay. So why the name kept Django? Why not other name means? So our authors loving guitarist person name was Django Reinhardt. So based on this person name, they took our framework name was Django. Okay. In 2005, they released it to public. Then onwards, anybody can download and use that framework. In 2008, they started their own company. It's a non-profitable organization, guys. Non-profitable organization means so people can freely download and use it. If they are satisfying, they will donate some amount for developing new features, guys. So number of MNC companies, guys, like Wipro, IBM, Google, TCS, Instead of using Java and .NET, guys, they are using this Django framework and developing their applications. Okay, so for example, they developed already applications. Using those applications, they saved a lot of time, they saved a lot of cost, and they developed best application. So finally, company management people satisfying using Django framework. We got best application like that. So then they're donating. Okay, management people donating some amount to this organization. So we are giving this so and so amount, or you can continuously update your Django features like that. They are donating. Okay, na? Yes, guys. So versions, guys, which versions are available right now? Versions of Django. Versions of Django, guys. So we have many versions, guys. We have many versions. So right now popular versions are Django 4 related versions and 3 related versions. So initial days, guys, Django 1.0, starting is 0.1, 0.2, like some versions they released. So in 2005, they released it to public, guys. That time 1.0 version they released. Later 1.1, 1.2, like that they developed. Later 2.0 versions also came. 2.0, 2.1, and 2.2, guys. Like three versions they developed. After that, directly moving to 3.0, 3.1, 3.2 versions they designed. Okay. Later 4.0, 4.1, 4.2 they designed. Now they are planning to release 5.0 also, guys. Not released 5.0, they are planning to release in this year, December 2023. December, they are planned releasing this 5.0. Okay. So 4.2 is the LTS version, guys. Long-term support version. 3.2 also LTS version. Long-term support, guys. Okay, na? Long-term support versions. LTS means long-term support. People are using these LTS versions for developing their applications, guys. Simply, if you want to get idea about that Django history, guys. Okay, so Django Wikipedia, guys. Simply Django Wikipedia. You can open, go down somewhere. All the versions you are getting. See, guys. Initially they designed like these things. Okay. So 1.4 first LTS version is 1.4, guys. In 2012 they released. 2012 they released, guys. Okay. In 2008, they started their own company. I said that time they released 1.0 version. Okay. So 1.8 also LTS version. Old days, guys, the people used these versions for developing their applications. More and more they used 1.11. So nowadays, these all versions people are not using. Okay, no problem. So coming to this 3.2 LTS version. So many projects, guys, so many projects are designing by using this. What is the 3.2 version right now in the real time? 3.2 LTS version. So and parallelly they designed the 4.0, 4.1, and 4.2 they released as LTS version. When they released, guys, 4.2, April 2023. April 2023, guys. See, release date. Okay, end of extended support up to which time, which date they are supporting. You're getting. So in April 2023 only, they released 4.2, guys. And up to April 2026, means coming 3 years, will support this one. And 5.0, they are planning to release, guys, December 2023. December 2023 means coming months. Okay. And they are planning up to April 25, this one. Why means 5.0, 5.1, 5.2. They're planning every version, guys, 0.2 related LTS version. Okay, 3.0, 3.1, 3.2 is the LTS version. 4.0, 4.1, 4.2 is the LTS version. LTS versions are supporting long time, guys. Having major benefits using the LTS versions. People are not doing keep changes. Clear that? 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, like that. So in every version, 3 versions releasing, guys, with every number. 0.2 related LTS versions they are planning. Clear that? For example, if you are using this 4.2, so PostgreSQL related, guys, PostgreSQL support there, PostgreSQL support there, Django.db.backends dot PostgreSQL supports both libraries, guys. Simply, this is the database communication related library. So PostgreSQL related also supporting when we are using 4.2, 4.2, guys. Okay, like here, what are the new features there in this, the latest versions you people are getting? Okay, so Python now 2.7 is the last version, guys, for 2 related, later 3 released. So if you want to be use Python 2.7 like that, so in Django 1.11 version people use it. Okay, na? And later from Django 2.0 version onwards, Python 3 version if you are using only working, otherwise not working. Clear these all things just for knowledge purpose only. So you can download and install this latest version and we can work with this. Okay. If you want to be changed to old version, you can degrade to the old version. Again, you can upgrade to the new version. These all things I will take care. Okay. So right now in the real time, this 3.2 people are using and this 4.2 as a student, you can learn directly 4.2 related. Or means right now you are learning and you are searching for job and you are getting job. So meanwhile, this is also getting more popularity in the real time. Clear everybody? So 4.2, I will develop my applications using 4.2 or using 3.2, guys. Okay. Some applications I will show you with 3.2, some I will show you with 4.2. How we are degrading versions, how we are upgrading versions. Okay, you will understanding. So one point remember, guys. So I designed one project. Okay. So or else app one application I designed using Django 4.2, guys. One application I designed using Django 4.2. Later, this Django version, I'm degrading to Django 3.2, guys. Degrading to Django 3.2. After degrading the Django version, if I'm running this application if I'm running this application, maybe not working properly. Okay, why means dependency problem there, guys. 3.2 maybe not supporting with this application related development. So here lot of imports we are using, guys, importing the modules or methods like that. So for example, in the 4.2, some new versions, new method there, new predefined method there, we used that method and we developed this logic. So when we are degrading to 3.2, so it is not supporting this new method. So that's why our application is not working properly. Okay. So one point blindly remember, when you are designing a new applications, so which version you want to use, first of all, you need to decide. So entire that application you need to use with the same version only, with the same version only. Next, one more application I want to be designed with the 3.2. So then you can degrade to 3.2 and using the 3.2, you can develop this application too, guys. So like parallelly, we can developing multiple applications, guys, with different versions. With 4.2 application 1 with 3.2 application 2, like we can developing parallelly. In our mission only, we have C drive, E drive, F drive, like several drives there. So Python, only one Python we are installing. So in this Python, for this Python, guys, So Django 3.2 you are installing, guys. Django 3.2 here you are installing. That is called the virtual location, guys. That is called virtual location. And here Django 4.2, guys. Django 4.2 you are the installing. Now using this 3.2, one new application you can design. Using this 4.2, another new application we can design. Okay. So Django, we are not going to installing the in this Python location, guys. In this Python location, if you are installing Django version, so that version only can use by all applications. For every application, different version if you want, then virtual environments required. How to creating virtual environments? What is the use of virtual environments? These all things I will take care coming days. Clear that? All the people. Okay. So all versions I given. Next, guys, features, guys. Features I told, guys. Features of Django. Features of Django. Many features I told. Again, I'll give you overview, no problem. So Django is a fast framework, guys. Django is a fast framework. How can you say Django is a fast framework? Django is a fast framework. Okay. So using Django framework, guys, so more easily we can developing the code, more fastly we can developing the code. For simple example, I want to be print a hello message. Hello message. So if you knows about what is the use of a print function, then we can use this print and we can print a hello message. That's it. Single line completing. But the same message using Java, if you want to be developing, guys. So first of all, class name followed by the class keyword followed by the class name. For creating this class name, some rules and regulations there. We need to be follow the identifier rules and followed by the curly brace syntax, guys. Okay, na? And here public static void main is a method, string aux string aux list of aux again curly brace. Next sysout we are writing as system dot out dot println of hello message and semicolon also required. See, guys, in Java, you need to write these all terminologies. So here class having meaning, class name having meaning and rules. Here we can use public, private, protect, like so many we can use. If we are using public, what will happen? Private, what will happen? Protected, if I'm using what will happen? We need to know, first of all, concept. Okay, here also several things we can use. Here also several things we can use. Okay, so data type, several things we can use, guys. And what is the system, what is how to, what is the println, okay, what is the use of this column. If you know about these all things, then we can display the hello message. But in Python, just what is the use of print function. If you learn, then immediately we can print it. Ready? So, so here the only one line we are writing is fastly executing. That's why we can say Django is a fast framework. So here number of lines there. So while creating more time taking, while executing also more time taking. Okay. So remember that point, guys. Django is a fast framework, simple framework. Here only lot of points you can create, guys. Django is a simple framework. The same example you can explain. Django is a simple framework. So code more easily we are writing with concise code, guys. Direct code only we are writing. Okay. So Django is a fast framework, a simple framework, easy framework. Like these all are normal points only. And next, guys, scalable framework. Django is a scalable framework. Scalable framework means low level applications, medium level applications, high level applications, guys. High level apps can design, guys. Low level applications Low level applications means every day our application using less than 100 people, guys. Every day our application using less than 100 people, for example. So very few members are using, that is called low level application. Medium level means, for example, if you are taking our Ashok IT site, every day 4 to 5,000 people are visiting our website. So it's like a medium application. High level applications means like Google, Gmail, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, these are every day using by lakhs of people. Every minute, lakhs of requests are coming for these applications, guys. Using Django framework, we can design any kind of applications. So scalability is getting more and more. Even lakhs of requests are coming to our application. Also, will handle by Django framework fastly. Okay, so remember that. Versatile framework. Versatile framework, guys. Versatile means using Django framework. So e-commerce, guys. E-commerce apps we can design. Networking related applications we can design. Banking related applications we can design. Okay, and blogs related blogs, guys. Blogs, nothing but social media related applications we can design. Okay, hospital related applications we can design, like different different kind of applications we can design using Django framework. So that is technically called as versatile behavior. Versatile. For example, sometimes you are maybe seeing this name, versatile actor, versatile hero. Means, so some heroes can do all kind of roles, guys. Some heroes can do all kind of roles. Okay, so those kind of heroes were technically called as a versatile hero. Okay, transforming to all variations, guys, all characters. Next, next, one of the important feature is Django ORM tool. Django ORM tools, guys. Okay, so ORM means object relational mapping tool. Object relational mapping tool, guys. It's a very important tool. Okay, so Django, I want to be communicated with MySQL from Django project. I want to be communicate to MongoDB. I want to be communicating to Oracle. So guys, if you are using Python, if you are using Python and you want to be communicate to MySQL DB, then we require to write MySQL related query, guys, MySQL query. Next, Python, okay, Python to MongoDB. I want to be communicate. Then MongoDB related Mongo query we are writing as okay. Python to Oracle. Then Oracle query required to write. Oracle related SQL queries required to be write. Oracle DB. If you want to be communicating, then Oracle related queries we need to be write. But if you are using Django, guys, if you are using Django, okay, so instead of Python, Django framework right now we are using. So if you are using Django, if you want to be communicating to MySQL or MongoDB or Oracle DB, no need to write specific database related queries. Instead of writing separate database related queries, so we can use here ORM. ORM query, guys. Django ORM query we are going to create for Django application. So Django with MySQL DB, if you want to be communicate, this ORM is converting into MySQL query format. If you want to be communicating to MongoDB, ORM is converting into MongoDB format. Your ORM converting into Oracle format also. Which database we want to connect, .db format automatically converting this Django ORM query. So this is the one of the biggest advantage by Django framework. Got it? So just one example, I have a table called employee. So employee dot objects dot all method we are going to use, guys. So this is a ORM query, guys. This is a ORM query. For this ORM query, MySQL related select star from your table name employee. This is a MySQL related query, guys. Okay. MongoDB related your DB dot your collection dot DB dot your collection dot employee DB dot employee dot find method. Okay. So you are using this MongoDB related query, guys. See here, this is ORM query and this is MySQL query. This is a MongoDB query, guys. Okay. So this ORM query only converting into MySQL format and getting data back. Okay. This is also same way. And here MySQL DB there, guys. MySQL DB there. MySQL DB simply. So this query only, MySQL query only will interact with MySQL DB. Okay, MySQL DB understanding the MySQL query only, guys. So, but this query we are creating using ORM. So this ORM is converting into like MySQL query communicating to MongoDB and getting data back. All the employees related data getting back and return to you guys. So wherever you are using this query, there you can use one variable and store. So in this variable, now all employees there. In this employee variable, all employees there. Clear that? And later we can use this object in our Django coding, guys. Okay. And here also MongoDB related there. MongoDB related. So this is the importance of the ORM tool, guys. Just one query, ORM related queries. If you are learning, so any database we can interact for our application. Okay, this is one of the best example, one of the best feature. Later, more and more we will discuss about the ORM queries. It's a big chapter, guys. Okay, so almost 3 hours we are discussing about the ORM. Lot of methods we are discussing. All method, get method, filter method, exclude method, values method, like several methods there. Later we will do it. We will learn it. Okay, and Django supports all major databases, guys. All major databases like Oracle, MongoDB, SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, like all major databases supporting. So using Django framework, if you are developing any application, for your application, any database you can use for storing your application related data. Okay. And one more very, very important feature is default database. Okay, Django comes with a default database, guys. That is SQLite 3. Default database SQLite 3 support there. So MySQL, if you want to be used, guys, first of all, we need to be download the MySQL database. We need to install by using next by clicking, guys. Okay, when we are clicking executable file, next showing username, enter password, enter like that, asking, guys. MongoDB, Oracle DB. These all databases separately we need to download and install it, and later we are going to be communicating. How we are communicating, I will take care. We have a database section there. I will show you practically. Okay, but no need to download and install manually. So Django by default comes with a SQLite 3 database. This is one of the database for our project related data or for our application related data. We can store here. We can do the CRUD operation here, SQLite 3. So no need to download and install manually. Remaining databases like Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, we need to be download and we need to be installed, and then we can communicate with those databases. So this is also one of the best benefit using Django framework. And guys, so Django provide admin module, guys. admin module providing. So when we are designing the applications, guys, admin people logins also there. Normal users log in there, admin people log in there. For example, you can take the Facebook. So as a normal user, I will register, guys. Later I will log in and I can do something. Okay, Facebook admin people also there. Admin means like a manager, guys. I mean management people, company own people, guys. So admin people also log in, registered with the Facebook, and they will log in and they can handling all users of the Facebook, guys. All users of the Facebook. For example, I created Facebook application. I'm doing illegal activities in my Facebook account. I'm posting some illegal activities, guys. Okay, so then as a admin people, they will block my account. They will block my account. Understanding? So admins having some rules and regulations. So for admin people interactions related, guys. So we need to be write logics separately if we are using some other languages and frameworks. But using Django, so admin panel related, by default we are getting admin panel related, by default we are getting logics. So we are not required, guys. Okay, we are not required to write logics manually. Already existing in Django, we can reuse those code, registrations related, login related, logout related, okay, forget passwords related, all admin people related, okay, designs there, guys. So we can reuse those designs automatically. So this is the one of the best benefit by Django framework. And next, auth module there is authentication related module support there. Authentication. So here, normal users related, guys. For example, Facebook application there, myself one user, you are also one of the user. So for all users communicating to this Facebook, okay, communicating to this Facebook, guys, we need to be develop the authentication mechanism. Means for all users related registration logics, login logics, logout logics, profile changing logics, forget password related logics, update password related. These all logics without writing manually. So predefined code existing here. Predefined methods providing, predefined classes providing, we can reuse those classes and we can get benefits. Already I told guys, so Adrian and Simon Wilson, why they designed the Django framework, means for reducing the duplicate code. They find out multiple duplicate code, guys, in every project. So they find out those all common code and they maintain in a separate file called Django, and they are reusing and developing the projects. Okay, so you can take it to Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, like all the applications are required authentications, guys. Who is using this application? Your username, passwords, all the things asking. So in every application, user authentications related common thing there. So every time instead of writing, they created one time, they used, they released in the versions, guys. So we can use those existing features. Okay. These all things separately, I'll take care, guys. Clearly, database related, ORM related, admin related, authentication related, like that. And they are providing one message module also, guys. Providing message module also. So message module, user-friendly messages we can provide, guys. User-friendly messages we can provide. When we are using the username password, your username password invalid, please enter valid password. Like these kind of messages we can enter, we can display more friendly messages, guys. For example, so here, guys, if I'm using ideally, so something number I want to be divided by 0, guys. Okay, then one exception message came. Instead of displaying this entire message, just one friendly message I want to be display. Okay, so a number cannot divide by 0. A number cannot divide by 0. Like a meaningful message you can display. Okay, na? So those kind of messages, if you want to be display, Django is providing one message module. Using this module, we can display the friendly messages according to actions. If it is successful action, different color-based messages we can display. If it is warning, then different colored message. If it is error, then red color messages like we can display. Okay, for successful green color, for errors related red color, for warning related orange color. Okay, like meaningful colored messages we can display using message module along with the UI technologies, guys. Okay, na? So, like several features are there, guys, using Django framework. These are only some features only. Okay, these are only some features. So, like several features there, because of these all features, this Django framework is getting more demanding nowadays. Clear that? So, finally, using Django framework within the less time with less cost can developing the best product. So, we are writing the less lines of code means reducing lot of burden on the developers. Okay, less lines of code we are writing means readability increasing, complexity decreasing, guys. Complexity decreasing. So less lines code we are writing means within the less time program executing from top to bottom. Within the less time executing means obviously performance of the application increasing. Got it? Like several points there. That's why the Django framework getting demanding nowadays. Okay. So that's it about today, guys. Just all history, futures, versions, all today only I covered. Okay, these all are just theoretical points only, guys. So like a story, I will share material today. If any new people there, so please ping message, guys, for WhatsApp group. So Ashok IT WhatsApp group there. Okay, so to that group you can send a message. Then you will get material for today topic related. Okay, so for this Django course, guys, 8K field there. So you can contact the admin people. You can contact the admin people, guys. So you will get it more information and 1 year videos access also you are getting, guys. 1 year video access also you are getting. So 96036. Okay, 96036 54077. Okay, so contact to this person is the admin person of our Ashok IT. Okay, you will get more information. So you will share all the information. Okay, na? So he only will share WhatsApp link also. You can join to that WhatsApp group. So there you will get everyday class material programs. So whatever we are doing in our session, guys. So live code only we are going to do, guys. Everything I will take care steps wise. So already here my Python students only there. Some people they knows how we are discussing in our sessions. Okay, so I'm telling these all points are related to new people. So course duration, all the things I given already here. Okay, na? So 7:30 to 9 a.m. 1.5 hour session every day. 45 days working sessions required. Material sharing, project sharing. By combining all the topics, one major projects also we will do. If we are doing the projects like this in the real time, also easily you can handle, guys. So I'll give you a lot of guidelines, procedure. Okay, why we are doing, how we are doing, step one what, step two what, like that. Procedure wise, I'll give you guys programs, guys. I will explaining this one. Okay, so same time parallel you can also develop in your mission. Okay, so course fee is 8K. Okay, you can contact the admin. You'll get more information. And UI technologies are free batch there, guys, at evening 5:30 p.m. Evening 5:30 p.m. If you are having free time, you can join there and you can learn more. In our Django also, I will take care HTML, CSS, both of these all things. Okay, na? So more easily, if you want to be understanding, separate batch you can join. No need to pay for that. It's a free batch by management. Okay. So for Java developers, .NET developers, Python developers, UI technologies are common. So some UI batches are maintaining and people are learning there. Clear? So already Python people available in the WhatsApp group, guys. They are getting everyday material. through the WhatsApp. Okay. And into that WhatsApp group, guys, the people who register, the people will add into the WhatsApp group. People will add into the WhatsApp group.